Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Welcome on into my beauty stash. Get ready because Oden'S is about to drop the launch of the summer. It is going to be a huge launch featuring 4 palettes and like 10 or 12 different lippies. And I have 5 videos for you guys. All these videos are going to go up while I am on vacation. So I'll be thinking of you guys, hoping you all are watching. But I will be in vacation for about a week in St. Martin. Today, we are going to dive into the summer palette. So this is their Alva series, and it's going to include palettes that represent each season. So since it's summer, we're going into summer first. And I'm wearing one of the liquid matte lipsticks. The shade I have on is called Cream Petal. And later in the video, I will add a gloss on top of it because you're getting a lot of gloss shades and shine shades. And the gloss that I will be adding later on, I'll let you know, is called Citrus Camellia. So each palette is going to retail for $43.90. And the not too sure. Oh, the lip glosses, the lippies are going to retail for $13.90. And this all drops on July 1st at 7 a.m. CST. I do have an affiliate code with Oden'S and it is Steff, and that will save you 10% off of your order. I am more than sure there's going to be different types of bundle options. A bundle where you can get the whole collection, a bundle where you can just get all the lippies, a bundle where you can just get all the palettes, and of course you can purchase everything individually. So this is going to be the launch of the summer, I think. And if Oden'S is one of your favorite brands, then you're going to want to stay tuned. As per usual, when Oden'S drops a palette of this size, I always do a dedicated video with 3 different looks. And this launch is going to be no exception. And the bonus video, the 5th video, is going to be me lip swatching all of the lippies. So I am so busy before I head out on vacation, but I hope you guys enjoy the series. And let's get started with creating 3 looks with, oh, I didn't even show it to you. Here she is with the summer palette from Oden'S their new extension of the Alva collection. Now I've already primed my eyelids with the e.l.f. Lock It Down eyeshadow primer. So I'm going to do 2 different looks on each eye, and then I'm going to do one full look, and I will wear test that look. And that's how it's going to go for the next 3 palettes that follow this one. I love that we're getting blue and a little bit of brown peach in here because I think those are such a beautiful color combination. I think I'm going to start with this shade in the inner corner, and this one is called Fresh. And I'm taking this shade on a Game Beauty E01. I'm just going to kind of pack it on right here in the inner corner and then blend upwards. I'm also going to bring it down a little bit right in here. It's okay if it gets on the lid. I think that's a nice shade, good pigmentation. I'm not going to take it all the way through. Now on a Game Beauty E07, I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here. This is a gray shade called Journey. And I'm starting on the outer half of the eye, trying to merge it with the first shade. Very nice. This is like a blue jean color. Okay, so I think we got a really good blend there. I really want to, I mean, this is good depth. You could leave it like this and then just throw on a shimmer. Since I want to use some more shades, I think I'm going to try going in with this shade right here. It looks like a green blue shade. This one is called Humidity. Is that right? Humidity? Something I'm very familiar with down here in South Texas. Using the same brush from Game Beauty. Oh yeah, that's cool. Yeah, these mattes are lending themselves very well to where you could easily create an all matte look. Now, I highly encourage you to use some sort of shimmer primer, glitter primer. I am not, because I'm just going to be taking these looks off as I go. But I am going to start with this shade down here. This one is called Seaside. I'm using my Morphe M709, and I am going to spray this with some setting spray. And I'm going to be placing this on the lid, kind of towards the outer half. Got some really pretty sparkle. You can always use your finger as well. I'm going to flip the brush over, and then I'm going to go in with this shade right here. This one is called Heat. Oops, I did feel some fallout, and I didn't spray this side of the brush though. Ooh, that's pretty. This is a smoother shimmer. The first one is a little more textured. Okay, I like it. I am going to go back in with the second shade that I used, just to kind of blend right in here into the crease. Then I'm going to add back the first shade I used as well. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with this shade on a What's Up Beauty R109. I like the way that looks. This is like the Blue Jean palette. I like it. I'm gonna add a little bit more of this shimmer right here. Just bring that down some. And now I'm gonna pop off camera to take care of finishing touches. And I'll be right back to show you this completed look with the summer palette. All right, so here is the completed look number 1 with the Alva Summer palette. What do you guys think? I love it. I went in with my Alexis lashes from Shop Miss A. The mascara I'm using is the Lift and Define Lash from Makeup Revolution. I'm using a ColourPop, this eyeliner right here in the waterline, but I don't know what shade it is. It already rubbed off. I think it's Crystal Crush. I think that's the shade. And I think that's about it. Oh, a little L'Oreal or CoverGirl black eyeliner, CoverGirl black eyeliner for the top lash line. Love it. Let's move over to the left eye and we'll start working on look number 2. So for look number 2, I want to play with this shade right here. So I think I'm going to start at the top with this shade, then go into this shade, and then use this shade. The first shade is called Vita. And I'm taking Vita on a Rephr 15. And we're just going to work that. I'm going to work that in the crease, above the crease, just so it could be our transition shade. Now I'm going into that darker shade. This one is called Ice Cream, and I'm using a What's Up Beauty R102 to blend that out here in the outer corner and also bring it into the crease. I like how smoky this is getting. Just got a little bit of fallout right there, no big deal. But this is looking really good. This is exactly what I wanted. Now we're going to go in with that red shimmer shadow. Using my Morphe M709, a little bit of setting spray on the brush. And I might actually use my finger to pack this on. Oh, look at that. Pack this on just a little bit better. This is a smooth shadow. Just the teeniest amount of texture to it. If you use your finger, packs a punch more. Okay, let's do something fun for the lower lash line. I think I want to do this blue right here. I think it's going to be a nice contrast. This one is called Cloudless. And I'm taking this shade on a Rephr 13 Mini. Leaving that inner corner free so we can apply a different shimmer. Now I'm going to take this shade right here on a BH Cosmetics brush and just apply it to the inner corner. All right, guys, I am going to finish the rest of this look off camera, and I'll be right back to show you the completed look number 2. Hey guys, so my microphone battery died, so I'm having to film this portion on my phone, but this is the completed look number 2 with the summer palette. Same steps, same everything from this first look. Now on the left eye, I did use another ColourPop cream gel liner. I think it's called Teaspoon, and I love it. I love the way 2 very different looks from this palette. I'm going to wipe off probably this look, I think, Or actually, I'm gonna wipe them both off because I'm gonna film another video and I need to have one complete look. So I'll do that, but for the sake of the video, I'll probably just remove this one really quick. And then I'm going to do a wear test today. That way you can see how these shadows perform for the next few hours. I don't think it'll be a 10-hour wear test, but it'll probably be about maybe 7 or 8 hours. So let's jump into, I'm going to set the third look to music since I'm giving my microphones a chance to charge. And then I'll come back on just like I did and let you know what I went in with, and then we'll do the wear test. So stay tuned. All right, guys, I got my microphones charged, and here is the completed look number 3. I love this. I think this cool tone smoky eye, this like grayish grungy smoky eye, is definitely my favorite. I did add the lip gloss. I kind of signed that a little bit in the beginning. Hope you could understand. But it is Citrus Camellia, the lip gloss that I have on top of the liquid lipstick, and I love it. Same everything with the exception of the lower waterline. You'll notice I kind of kept it really light down here. I went in with an Essence, kind of like my flesh tone color eye pencil there, and this is the completed look. Same Shop Miss A Alexis lashes, my favorite. I'm going to wear test this for the next few hours. It's the weekend. It's not a day that I'm going to be at work and wearing this look for the 10 hours that I normally do, but I think I can get 6 to 8 hours out of it, and I will most definitely keep you posted. I would say that I managed to use all the shades except for this one up here. So not too bad. 15 out of the 16 shades in this palette. I'll give you my final thoughts at the end of the day. Hey guys, so here we are at the 8-hour mark with the summer palette from Oden'S. I really love the way this look turned out. I think it looks really good. A nice neutral look, smoky eye. I didn't have any problems with creasing. I didn't really have any fallout. So the color story I think is beautiful. It reminds me of blue jeans. It reminds me of denim, and to me, if it wasn't called summer, I'd call it the denim palette because I think it's exactly that. And I liked it. I think the formula is good. The mattes are good. The shimmers are good. I think you're really going to like this one. If you like blue, then this is definitely going to be your palette. If you're not a blue fan, then you're going to want to stay tuned and maybe consider some of the other 3 palettes that are in this collection. But summer palette is getting 2 thumbs up from me. Let me know which look was your favorite. 1, 2, 3, none, all. Sound off in the comments down below. Don't forget, this drops on July 1st at 7 a.m. CST, and my affiliate code Steff will save you 10% off of your order. One more thing before I let you guys go, the lippy came off right after lunch, so I didn't reapply it or anything, but it was a comfortable formula, both the liquid lipstick and the gloss, but yeah, it's something that you're definitely going to have to reapply. Let me know your thoughts. Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'll see y'all very soon. Bye.